Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your video editing workflow by using something quite simple and cheap. If you're like me, just starting to learn video editing, I'm sure you've come across this challenge. Everything takes so long to do, so many mouse clicks, so many drag and drops, resizing, scrolling. There's a heck of a lot to do. There's got to be a better way, right? Well, as it turns out, there are many ways to solve that problem. Some more expensive than others, a lot more expensive actually. The option I'm going to talk about today is on the low cost side of things, and it's for the people who, like me, are out there making videos, just starting using video editing and photo editing software, music editing as well actually. If you're already a pro and you're cutting through your video editing just like butter and adding special effects, and you've been doing this for a few years, then this video is probably not for you. It could still help, but I think this is more for people who are at the beginning of their video editing journey. Straight to the point then, what is this? It's a keyboard cover. Nothing high tech about this. This is what I love about technology. Sometimes it's the simplest and cheapest solutions that make the biggest difference. This is made out of silicone. It's colored to represent the right software shortcuts, mostly for Apple laptops. So if you're a PC user, I recommend you check out the backlit keyboard option that these guys have. I use Adobe Premiere Pro on a Mac, so that's the one I have. But they do sell different options of this for different software packages. They have a Photoshop one, they have a Lightroom, a Final Cut one, DAVINCI Resolve. For music editing software, they have LogicPro, Ableton Live, and even if you're into DJing, they have a Serato one, which is great. Just make sure you choose the right model that is compatible with your laptop, 13-inch or 15-inch, they've got different sizes. Again, for PCs, check out the actual physical keyboards that they sell. The great thing about the external keyboard is that you can use them with both a PC or a Mac, but they are a little bit more expensive than these things. I just found myself really struggling to edit the simplest of videos. And like many of you, this is very much still a hobby, bit of a side hustle. Well, not really a side hustle yet because I'm not getting paid. I'm getting £0 for making these videos at the moment. One day, who knows. But I thought if I'm going to do this, as well as having a day job, then I need to make this as time efficient as possible. So I'm spending the right amount of time, just the right amount of time, editing videos. Here's the beauty of this thing. It costs less than £30, but the time it saved me, I can't put money on it. There are many other expensive gear out there that goes into making videos, microphones, lights, tripods, cameras, laptops, and all together to make a video experience that's more professional. But I hate spending hours and hours and hours on a 5-second clip just because I can't figure out where the shortcut is. I'm scrolling things and I'm kind of clicking around and trying to find my way, and I know there's a shortcut. I've seen plenty of YouTube videos and these guys are just kind of, using this shortcuts, and you can see them cutting through videos like it's nothing. So I thought there's got to be a better way, so I found this guys. So my learning curve has been dramatically reduced, and the proof of that is that sometimes I've noticed that when I go somewhere and I forget to take this with me, I actually find myself not needing it as much as I used to, because I've learned some of the shortcuts already, which is great. I still go and find it if I'm at home and just in a different room. I still go and find it because I like to have it on the keyboard just for my peripheral vision. It's helpful. I might be looking at the screen and not having to really look down at the keyboard just to find the right key, so that helps hugely. Even if it's half a second or less than that I'm saving per keystroke, that is good enough for me, because I haven't really had to take my eye completely off the screen I'm working on. I'd rather spend the time concentrating on cool effects and transitions and learning those skills and improving my sound design, for example, rather than fishing for the right keys to press. I hope this helps you as much as it did me. It's a short video today, and if you found value in this video, please go ahead and join me in my journey by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single one of you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'll see you same time next week. Alright, take it easy.